Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke with the Conscious Success Plan. Today I wanted to do a short video on repairing relationships. We've talked a lot about ruptures in relationships, which can cause repeat arguments and resentment, so a lot of R's, but repair is where the rubber really meets the road when it comes to being able to move ahead and move on and not have a lot of resentment that can really cloud and destroy a relationship, actually. So, just some quick tips. A lot of this is from Gottman Theory, which you can look up online, or we'll maybe do another video about it. But this kind of structure, I think, is helpful when you're looking to repair a relationship, which when you feel friction in any relationship, that's a sign that either a rupture is ahead or maybe there's been something that's happened and you need to have a powwow to do some active listening on both sides, which means listening to the other person uninterrupted so that you can validate, and you don't necessarily need to agree with what they say, but you need to validate that that's their point of view and acknowledge that, yes, I heard what you had to say. And then what hurt me is for the person who's expressing what the problem is, and the other person reflects that back. What I'm hearing is, and we want to look at safety in the relationship over strategy of trying to win everything, and connection over control. And those are the two big takeaways that I think are super important. And trust that the conflict is not going to end the relationship is where the safety is. So we need to obviously practice these things on a regular basis. And hopefully by doing so, we're going to reduce the number of times that we need to do it in a relationship. So you want to choose the connection of the relationship over your armor and needing to be correct. And that love is about your willingness to accept another person's point of view, honor it, and do what you can to prevent future mistakes. So I think that's something that's really important. And just kind of some quick tips on repairing relationships after a rupture. And the sooner that you can do this, the better. So within an hour or two, as opposed to letting something drag on for like a day, a week, and no silent treatment, because that's going to cause a rupture all unto itself.